Even in the Edo area, many different kinds of azalea flowers were developed through hybridizing different types. Now, there are more than 1,000 different kinds which are officially registered. The colors or shapes of the flowers are various. This is a most attractive point about the Satsuki azaleas. To cultivate the Satsuki azalea as a bonsai, the size of the flowers should be medium or small, and the colors should not be too vivid. Flowers which have a graceful character are preferred for bonsai. Also, the leaves should be relatively small, and shiny leaves are best. Look at this bonsai's strong root system and very stable, upright stance. The root systems which support the trunk, and also the beauty of the trunk itself, are necessary elements for the beauty of the bonsai. For bonsai, it is best if the flowers are not in full bloom. The time when about 70% of them are open is the best time for viewing the plant. The shape of the tree and the pot are harmonized very well, and this makes the bonsai look better. This bonsai has a very good root system, and the trunk stands up from it very well. The trunk is twisted, and it gives you a certain favorable atmosphere. The branches are well balanced and have a completeness about them, right out to the tip of each one. The order of the branches and the spacing between them show good balance. Also, the length and thickness of the branches against the trunk show good balance. The Satsuki Azalea has a special character which other plants don't share. It's called Art of the Flower. Art of the flower is how the colors of the flowers on the same tree change variously. To cultivate the Satsuki Azalea into bonsai, white is the main color for the bottom of the flower, topped by other colors, or double-colored flowers are also favored by cultivators. They can be gorgeous within the art of the flower, but they should be graceful as well. This kaho has red and white flowers which are nicely balanced. To keep this balance, you have to control the art of the flower through arranging the tree yourself. While the flowers are blooming, let's mark which ones are red to help your memory. When the flower's blooms are almost finished, let's pick the flowers. The timing for picking flowers comes after the flowers have become small, after their full bloom. The most important thing is to pick the flower part completely from the plant. To pinch the new buds, which start growing in spring, and to cut the buds which are left, are important for keeping the proper shape of the tree. leave the ones which are horizontally set and cut off the others. Now 2 buds and 2 leaves are left. Let's try it one more time. First, pinch the buds. So now there are only 2 buds left. Up to here is last year's branch. From here is this year's branch. Let's also make this a 2 bud, 2 leaf side.
ですから、これが2目残って、それでこれで2つ残しっていうのは、2目でもまあ立派でもいいわけですね。これで2目2葉残しになったわけなんですね。この枝がね。
Now we are looking at branches from the back side. Between the tip of the big branch and the small branch, you can see a new bud. Use the new bud which grows in the middle of the branch and cut the tip of the old branch, making it shorter. Even with the 2 buds, 2 leaves system, there are many ways to do this. You have to think about the shape of the whole tree and then decide which buds to cut and which to leave. If you want to make branches stronger and make the leaf system bigger, don't cut the buds, just let them grow.
わけですね。ですからこの枝を大事に、作るわけなんですけど、この枝の下にこう小さな芽がありますよね。これは枝の下になりますから、これはでこれを当然こう先伸ばすんですけど、この上に立ってるやつはこう当然また芽を描いて、下向きのも描いて、だいたい2本ぐらいにするわけですね。それで極端にこう力をつけたい場合は目先をまだ止めなくて、このままこう伸ばした状態にしておけばいいわけですね。
Next is how to cut buds on a completed tree. With a tree like this, you can leave these buds and remove the buds on the tip of the branch to avoid making the shape of the tree bigger. For example, in this case, cut the tip from this old leaf.
この古っ端のところでこう枝を止めるわけなんですね。ですからこのから先はみんな切っちゃうわけなんですね。それここは芽がまだ出てないですからいいんですけど。
Similarly, a branch which doesn't have many shoots you can remove completely. New buds will grow from the place where an old branch has been removed. This is after completely cutting new buds. When you cut buds, you should do it right after you have picked the flowers. If you finish cutting the buds in June, then there will be more flowers next year.